There were many new tools in the toolbox. There were many new processes. There was a world of opportunities and capabilities we could tap into. So really understanding about Dupont Production Systems, DPS, also Dupont Integrated Business Management, DIBM, as a couple of examples, really kind of opening up that it was kind of an extended S&OP process, sales and operations planning process, which many would work with. And that was one of the things for sure that was for me quite an eye-opener becoming part of Dupont, that, we used to work with the sales and operations planning process. But all of a sudden, I kind of began realizing this Dupont integrated business management process, that is actually an additional layer, an additional step. And that really ties it all very well together. So the sales and operations planning process, nothing wrong with that. But if you really want to click it all together, then there's an additional dimension. And running kind of 5 steps every month, I have really carried that with me forever after, which is super helpful. So thanks, Mark, because you were one of those who helped me initially to get into the fascinating world of DIBM.